Security misconfigurations are increasingly common these days, leaving many businesses wide open to data breaches. Imagine waking up to find out that your sensitive data is floating around on the internet, all because of a simple oversight. According to a report by IBM, the average cost of a data breach has skyrocketed to a staggering $4.35 million. Shockingly, many of these breaches are rooted in easily avoidable mistakes like misconfigurations. This video might just hold the key to identifying and fixing those pesky errors, potentially saving you millions. Security misconfiguration happens when the settings of a system, application, or network device are off-kilter. Picture this: a system left with the default settings intact, unnecessary features turned on, or permissions set too broadly. Cybercriminals are on the lookout for these kinds of slip-ups, ready to swoop in and access sensitive data, launch malware, or conduct phishing schemes. What leads to these security missteps? Well, it can stem from a variety of issues: human error, lack of awareness, or inadequate security measures. For example, a worker might configure a system without really grasping security best practices. Or perhaps security teams overlook key updates because cloud services are just so complex. Plus, the sudden shift to remote work has opened up even more avenues for cybercriminals, making it a lot tougher for security teams to keep a watchful eye on vulnerabilities. Common types of security configurations facilitating data breaches. Here's a look at some classic culprits when it comes to security misconfigurations. Default settings. With the boom of cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure, businesses increasingly depend on these services for data storage and management. However, sticking with default settings can introduce huge risks. Take the Microsoft Power Apps leak from 2021, for example. Unconfigured OData feeds made it easy for nearly anyone to access crucial back-end databases. One proactive team found this breach before it spiraled out of control, averting a potential crisis impacting millions of records. Unnecessary features. Activating features that aren't needed can leave your system exposed to threats. Think of features like remote admin tools or unused network ports. Organizations should regularly audit their systems and remove features that aren't essential. Keeping things simple can greatly reduce the chance of a breach. Insecure permissions. Giving users more access than they actually need can be a recipe for disaster. Implementing the principle of least privilege ensures users only have access to what they need. Regular audits of user permissions and strong encryption for sensitive data can boost security immensely. Outdated software. Missing security updates can put your system at risk. A solid patch management program is crucial. Be proactive about applying updates and monitoring for new vulnerabilities. Automated tools can help streamline this process and reduce the chances of human error. Insecure API configurations. As companies migrate more services to the cloud, insecure API configurations become a significant concern. Just look at the T-Mobile data breach in 2023. To safeguard against these risks, establish stringent authentication measures and conduct regular security assessments. Contact Zodex and let us be your partner for all your proactive cybersecurity needs. We have a full suite of solutions that can not only be tailored to your specific business needs, but will also provide you with a return on your cybersecurity investment. Here's how to avoid security misconfigurations that impact your data breach resilience. Implement a comprehensive security policy. A clear cybersecurity policy should cover all aspects of system configurations, such as setting permissions and updating software. Train employees on cyber threat awareness. Human error accounts for a large share of cloud security breaches. By ensuring your team is educated on common cybercrime tactics, like phishing, they can help shield your business from mishaps. Use multi-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security through MFA. This ensures that even if a password gets compromised, an attacker still can't access sensitive systems. Strengthen access management controls. Setting up identity and access management systems guarantees that only necessary personnel have access to critical data. Keep software updated. Make it a priority to keep every environment up to date. Timeliness is key. Apply patches as soon as they're available. Deploy effective security tools. Using security solutions like intrusion detection systems and data leak detectors can enhance your ability to monitor potential threats. Implement a zero-trust architecture. This approach involves treating every request for access as suspicious until verified, ensuring rigorous scrutiny at every step. Create a repeatable hardening process. Establish a process to maintain consistent security settings across all environments, including IoT devices, which are often neglected. Design a secure application architecture. Make sure your app architecture obscures sensitive data access, utilizing network segmentation to minimize exposure. Maintain a structured development cycle. Incorporate security testing into your development cycle to build a resilient security posture from the ground up. Review custom code. Utilize static code scanners and conduct thorough reviews to catch vulnerabilities early. Adopt a minimal platform strategy. Keep your software stack lean and focused on what's essential to reduce potential misconfigurations. At Zodex, our cybersecurity services are not just a checkbox on a to-do list. They are a fortress built with the latest innovations and strategies, while proactively fortifying your defenses, because your security and reputation deserves nothing less than exceptional. At Zodex, we understand that the future of cybersecurity lies in a multifaceted strategy that encompasses both prevention and recovery. By focusing on education and awareness, we ensure your team is not just equipped to defend against foreseeable threats, but is also prepared for the complexities of insider threats and evolving regulatory landscapes. Partner with Zodex for a unique, cutting-edge approach to cybersecurity, safeguarding your organization against both today's and tomorrow's challenges.